Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Today we will discuss lesson first exercise, and this is lecture number 3rd of this lesson. Agenda of this lesson means content of this lesson. First, multiple choice questions. Second, true or false. Third, application based questions. Fourth, fill in the blanks. Fifth, matching, and sixth, answer of the following. So let's start this video. Multiple choice question. Question number first, a dash help us to create documents such as letter and reports. Option DBMS, word processor and spreadsheet program. The correct option, word processor. A word processor help us to create documents such as letters and reports. Question number second, dash software help us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. Options, word processors, spreadsheets, database. The correct option, database. Database software help us to arrange and store a large amount of information in organized way. Question number 3, a dash program helps you to perform calculations and analyze data in a better way. Option spreadsheet, next option word processor and DTP. Correct option spreadsheet. A spreadsheet program helps you to perform calculations and analyze data in a better way. Question number 4, dash software help us to create and display slides on a computer for business and educational purpose. Options spreadsheets, graphics, presentation. The correct option presentation. Presentation software help us to create and display slides on a computer for business and educational purposes. True or false? True or false? Question number first, word processing software helps us in maintaining our documents in a presentable manner. This statement is true. Word processing software help us in maintaining a document in a presentable manner. This statement is true. Question number second, backup is a process of shrinking files on a disk. Backup is a process of shrinking files on a disk. This statement is false. Question number 3, DTP software helps to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. This statement is false. DTP software helps to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. This statement is false. Question number 4, a spreadsheet software helps us to perform calculations and analyze data in an effective manner. A spreadsheet software helps us to perform calculations and analyze data in an effective manner. This statement is true. Question number 5, multimedia software helps in storing a large amount of information. Multimedia software helps in storing a large amount of information. This statement is false. Next, application based questions. Question number first, Radhika wants to provide protection to her computer system against virus attacks. Which software will you suggest to her to install? So you suggest antivirus utility software. Antivirus utility software for protect the virus attack. Question number second, Surbhi has made a project on water pollution, which is quite lengthy. She wants to mail it to her sister for further improvement. Which utility program will you suggest her for this task? Answer is WinZip. Survey had project have water pollution is quite lengthy, so through WinZip compress the project and after that send his sister. So correct answer is WinZip. WinZip is a compressed software. Fill in the blanks. Software is of two types, dash and dash. You fill system software and application software. Software is of two types, system software and application software. Question number second, dash control the overall activity of a computer. You fill operating system. Operating system control the overall activity of computer. Question number 3, an operating system manage all input and output devices. An operating system manage all input and output devices. You fill input and output. Question 4, dash program performs specific tasks usually related to manage a computer, its devices, its program. You fill utility. Question number 5, the presentation software is used to present an idea or concept. You fill idea and or concept. Match the following. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet match MS Excel. Next, word processor. Word processor match MS Word. Next, graphics software, you match MS Paint. Next, presentation software match MS PowerPoint. Next, compression match WinZip. Last one, desktop publishing CorelDRAW. Match the following from A to B. After that, answer of the following. Question first, what is software? Name its type. Software is the collection of programs that are stored and run on computer hardware and help users to work on a computer. It cannot be touched or seen. Software is of the two types, system software and application software. Means software is the collection of programs that are stored and run on computer hardware and help us users to work on computer. It cannot be touched or seen. Software cannot touch and see. There are two types of software, system software and application software. Question number 2, what is an operating system? Briefly explain its any two function. An operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as link between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. The two functions of an operating system are, means operating system control the overall activities of computer. It means operating system is the manager of computer which manage all activity inside the computer. Means it act hardware and enable them to work together. The function of operating system are, and operating systems control the working of all input and output devices. Means operating system control the working of all input and output devices. Second, an operating system run the applications software like MS Paint, MS Word, MS PowerPoint. Means second function, an operating system run the application software like MS Paint, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, etc. Question number 3, what is utility software? A utility software is a program that performs specific tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices, its program. It assists the smooth functioning of computer system and help computer to perform better. A utility software is a program that performs specific tasks usually related to managing the computer. Its device, its program, the assist the smooth function of the computer. Use utility software. Question number 4. What is the function of word processing software? Word processing software helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify the text and produce a hard copy of the documents as required. Means word processing software helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. Through this software you can easy way to add, delete, rearrange the text and also you print out a hard copy. Question number 5. What is the use of multimedia software? Multimedia software is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics and text with a high degree of interaction. Multimedia software is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics and text with a high degree of interaction. Hopefully all students understands all entire contents of this video. Each and every students write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.